The Move command can be found on the Home tab, Modify panel, this top left button right here. You can click that, or for the keyboard shortcut is M Enter. Select your objects, and hit Enter or right click, and then it's going to ask you for base point. Click wherever you want your base point to be, and you can move your object anywhere. I'm going to go ahead and snap to this object, and that's it. It's also handy in conjunction with either ortho mode down here, if that's toggled on, or polar. So I went ahead and selected all these objects. I'm going to hit Enter again because AutoCAD remembers your last command, and that's going to get me in the Move command again, or you can hit the Move icon. Click anywhere, and if I just drag out in any polar direction or ortho direction, if that's toggled, you can see that it's going to track along that path of that green line. It also gives me a number, and so if I type in a number here, like 5, enter, it's going to move exactly 5 units along that track. The units change based on your drawing settings, but it's going to move exactly 5 units. That's about it.